So let me show you how you can fix this problem if it ever happens. So if you accidentally changed a name of one of your files in your folder, or you moved your folder somewhere else and you tried to open a file again and it didn't know where your media was, it's not really the end of the world to fix as long as you know where it is. So I'm going to click on this first track here that's missing and go to File and then say Link Media. All right, so I'm going to go to my clip Sunset and I'm going to try to find where that one is. So I'm going to go over here and click on Locate. And then I know where I put it, so it shouldn't be too hard to find. So I put it in this folder here, so I'm able to find it. There it is, Beach Travel. And then it is Clips Sunset 720. Right there. So this is the one that's missing. I can click on it and then I can say okay. And then you see I got it back. It actually put back all the other ones because it was like, oh, that one was in that folder and these other ones must be there too. Okay, so I just needed to show you how to fix a media offline thing. It is something that they often might ask on the test, and it's also something that happens to everybody. Sometimes when you're working, if you change the name of a file or move it, it might give you that media offline. So all you have to do to fix it is go to File, Link Media, and then just find where it is and tell it to link it back.